From the home screen, select Profile, then select Measure Knee. This will allow you to measure your knee straightening and your knee bending. Start with your leg straight with a firm towel roll underneath your ankle, and place the phone just above your knee and select Measure. Next, move the phone to just below your knee and select Measure again. You've now completed measuring your knee straightening. Next, bend your knee as far as you can, place the phone just above your knee and press Measure. Then, move the phone to below your knee and select Measure again. You've now completed measuring knee bending. Next, you can view the results for your knee bending and knee straightening and select View to save those results.